Okay, hey, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the SC funnel, which is the sales call funnel. This is usually going to be a funnel where we're going to be selling B2B, and we usually want to be swinging at about $5,000 a deal. Now, at Hyros, for example, I will close deals, for example, for a year at Hyros at $3,500. I'll also close deals sometimes at $10,000, so sometimes I'll close deals at $997 a month. The main thing is, even at $997 a month, the value is still about $12,000 to me per deal close right there. This works exceptionally well with high-ticket SaaS and is mainly how I use it. I also use it for the Iron funnel. Now again, I want to state, the SC funnel has a lot of advantages. First off, let me break down how the funnel works. It's simply an ad to an opt-in page, to a video, to a call scheduling page, and then a call thank you page. And unlike the webinar, which is a complicated thing, the only thing we're going to be doing after the opt-in is if the person doesn't schedule a call, we're just going to send them a few emails saying, hey man, come schedule a call. Come schedule a call. And this right here is more than enough to pump out a substantial ROI in its base form. Now, when we get into hyper optimization, we'll talk about emails, we'll talk about going and really hyper testing the opt-in, really going and hyper testing every single email we send out there. But really just having this basic process right here is more than enough to crush it in its base form. What do I mean by this? So the goal of this funnel section is not to ever get us to a hyper optimized funnel. That's going to be talked about later in the program, because we need data to hyper optimize a funnel. We can't just go and build a funnel from scratch and then hyper optimize it around what the user's doing. It's not going to work like that. The base funnel should be what is needed to get us good results. Now, getting the webinar, the 2K webinar off the ground that you might have looked at already off the ground is hard. It's quite difficult. Getting this off the ground is easy. The problem is it's hard to scale, because the magic of this funnel is going to happen on the sales call. And if you have a hard offer to sell, for example, Hyros is very easy for me to sell on a sales call. Iron is very easy for me to sell on a sales call, but it's very hard to get a salesperson to sell on a sales call. So the real challenge of the SC funnel is not getting off the ground and profitable. The real challenge is scaling up the sales calls. That's the problem right there with this funnel when it comes in. So that's what I really want to focus on right here. You can easily get this funnel to $100K a month. For example, the Iron funnel, I'll spend $1,000 a day to do $5,000 to $10,000 back every single day. The Hyros funnel is even more ridiculous. I can spend $500 a day to do $5,000 back a day all day long. It is absolute child's play to run this funnel. The problem is when you start having to go, as the CEO of a company, for example, I end up having to spend all my days on the phone. And that means I can't focus on the product, which, again, we've talked about is the absolute key. So there's actually times when, like, I've been working on the Iron funnel, I've just waived the calls for the entire week. I want to focus on the product. Or with Hyros, I've slowed down calls so that I can focus on the product while we scale it up. That being said, when this thing is on, generates me $10,000, $15,000 a day, no problem. Again, we don't always want to also scale up something as soon as we have it going there. And so you're going to have to realize that your bottleneck with this funnel is not ever going to be the profit. And if you just want to make a good $50,000, $100,000 a month, $200,000 a month even, you just have to sit on the phones all day. Okay, but that comes with a huge drawback to the product, which is essential. Now, the cool thing about this funnel is this is the easiest funnel on planet Earth to build. It's literally just a series. It can be explained honestly in the funnel that you came in through. So let's go through the parts of the funnel. There's going to be the opt-in form, which is very simple. You'll have this template, just a simple opt-in form. Then the person will be sent to a video, like so, okay? Just a simple video. Now I'm gonna give you guys a template that I thought that works better for info businesses, but this template right here is what I use at Hyros. For example, if you go and look at the Iron funnel, there's a little bit of a different video that I use. I just use this black screen with this. And this works really well. I might be converting Hyros to this. I need to go and actually test the optimization. So then in about 15 minutes, what happens is this is a super short video. This is not going to take a work of art copywriting masterpiece like the 2K webinar. what's going to happen is a link is going to appear right here. Person's going to click the link after 15 minutes. After that link is clicked, what they're going to be doing is that video will spur them to book a call with you. And so the person will then go and book a call with you. Very simple. Then the person will go to a thank you page. My steps are a little bit out of order right here. So the person will go to a thank you page. Okay? And I'm just showing you my high-roast funnel right here to kind of show you this is a little bit more hyper-optimized. When we're dealing with the iron funnel, which is what I'm going to pop over to because this is what your templates are based off of. Let's just go through them from start to finish. So again, right here, this is the exact same funnel you came from. It's a simplified version. The high-roast funnel is a little bit more complicated. I just want to show you how I'm using it in a SaaS marketplace, which can be used for services or agencies. So again, it starts at an opt-in, goes to a video. Video goes and spurs the person to book a call. Okay. Then the thank you page, which tells them what to expect from the call, what's going to be happening, everything that's going to be going on. And then what we're going to have is we're going to have a replay of our call that we're going to send to people in their first email with a link to their bonuses underneath it. We use the bonus to get people to this page right here, and then we have them watch this again. And then we have a bonus page where we send them a free bonus that actually just pitches them and gets them to sign up for a call again. You can see this is really just a series of videos. And then our first email is going to send people to this page right here, spurring them to book a call, and then we're going to send them again to this page right here, spurring them to book a call. Is this the most optimized form? No, but this base form right here will work for you if you follow the product creation and you use the scripts and the call templates. This will work. It'll work. It will get you a profitable funnel. This is exactly what I run for Iron, and it pumps out a 10x ROI cash, no problem. This is the exact almost funnel format that I use at high-roast with a few extra bells and whistles. Pumps out a 5 to 6x MRR cash ROI. That's before recurring payments and everything come in. Easy, no problem. It's there. And so this funnel right here is extremely easy to build. It's extremely easy to run. It's extremely easy to set up. The problem is once you start going and getting a lot of traffic in here, you're probably going to be on 3 to 4 hours of sales calls a day if you want to make this funnel do. If I want to do about 15K a day on this funnel from Iron, I have to be on, let's say I have about a 50% conversion rate on my Iron calls. I need to be on phone calls for like 4 to 5 hours each day. And that makes building your business hell. So what we're going to want to do with this type of funnel is we really want to get it working, and then we're going to go into hiring a sales team and everything that comes with it. So the funnel is not the challenge with this funnel. All the moving parts and the time involved with doing sales calls and training up a salesperson, that's the challenge with this funnel. And so as we go through this funnel section right here, you're going to be shocked by how easy it is because the challenge is not in the funnel. Okay, the challenge is everything that happens after the funnel. Okay, so we're going to dive into that in this section.